little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw something super cute and fun, a cup of hearts.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing the cup using a black marker. A nice round shape at the bottom and a curved line at the top. Now, let's add a handle on the side. Draw a big curved shape to make it look like a real mug. Time to add some yummy creamy foam. Draw some wavy lines on top of the cup to make it look soft and fluffy. Now, let's draw two cute heart shapes floating on top of the cream. Finally, let's add one more heart right in the middle of the cup body. A perfect touch! Nice job, everyone! Your cup of hearts looks amazing! Now, let's make our outlines bold and sharp to really make our artwork pop. Look how awesome it looks now!
Yay!
Now comes the most fun part, coloring. Let's bring out our rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. White color for highlights and decorations.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome! Our cup of hearts looks so colorful and bright. Great job, little artists! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.